Hello dear friends, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new topic, animating pictures and text with sound effect. Unit 5th, presentation tools. In the last video we discussed inserting different shapes, clip art and pictures in the slide. If you didn't watch that video, click the I button to the top of the right corner. Otherwise continue this video. Let's start today's video. First one topic, animation. What is animation? Animation means showing any object like moving. When a series of object is changing position of object is shown one by one very fast, then it seems that it is moving. To insert the animation, choose slideshow, custom animation from the menu bar. So firstly open a presentation and then click on a slideshow menu and then click a custom animation. This dialog box will be appear. Select your object and then click a add button and then select a custom animation. Here I'm selecting diamond and then click OK. And then click a play. And click a second one slide and select the object first. And then click a add button here and then select the animation and then click OK button. Click on a play for a preview. Next one topic is rehearse timing. Do the following to understand rehearse timing in a better way. So firstly open a presentation and then select the slide shorter view and then click here rehearse timing. To advance to the next slide, click on the timer. Repeat the process for all the slide. The time for each slide will be recorded. Save your presentation. Play the slideshow and see if rehearse timing is working properly or not. Click on slideshow and then click here slideshow. It's properly working. If it is not working, you can also select the slideshow and then click slideshow setting to change the setting for the slide in a presentation here. This is a method for a rehearse timing. So dear friends, in this video you learn how to use an animation and rehearse timing. In the next video we will discuss printing the slide handout in OpenOffice. If this video is helpful for you, hit the like button. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now. And also press the bell icon for the future update. Share this video to your friends and family members so this video can reach more friends. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.